If you're struggling trying to figure out what your next move is, or you sick of the 9 to 5, you tired of those folks you working for, or you looking for extra income to replace the 9 to 5, this video is for you. Last year, I walked away from the 9 to 5 because my physical and mental health were compromised. Honey, my physical blood pressure, 199 over 117. I was sleeping for 2 hours a day. My voice was lost because every time I said something, the dysfunctional leadership would come in and try to shut me down and talk to me crazy. And you know, when you get in your 50s, you ain't going to be dealing with too much of that foolishness. Because see, I was tired of being nice. If you feel that way, put a number 7 in the comment. Sometimes that kindness will get to you, especially when if you're a woman or a man of a certain age. You know what you can't tolerate. You know what you cannot tolerate. Because see, now you're ready to put your Vaseline on. But anyway, that's not what this video was about. So anyway, I went home and I started looking on social media and realized that people were making a lot of money on this digital product thing. You know what I'm saying? The media, well, social media was turning out millionaires, and they were younger than I was. So I was like, wait a minute, I'm 57 years old. You know what? I'm gonna put my hat in the ring too. So I took one skill that I was really good at, that everybody came to me for at that old job, honey, which was communications, because y'all know I love to talk. Anyway, so I changed it into a bankable title. So now I'm what you call a strategic communications consultant. You see the difference between the two? Anyway, I repackaged that sucker, I repositioned it and put it in the global market. And guess what? I think about 8 or 10 days later, I landed my first client across the world, on the other side of the world, from Brazil. And then a couple of days later, I got 44 new clients, okay? Don't tell me I can't do something. I ain't got to depend on that job, honey. But anyway, so right after that, I created 4 more side hustles around one skill. Now, all this time, I'm using just one skill. But here's the 3 things that I learned when I followed that 7-day roadmap. You ready? That job does not define me. See, they were trying to keep me down because they knew that I was bigger than what they were paying me for. See, they look at that description and say, okay, well, she could fit it, but we're going to keep her here. You get what I'm saying? Oh, no, you can't keep me here, honey. I am too fabulous for that. Number two, my skill was sought out. It's being sought out all over the world, child. Okay? There are 8.3 billion people out here. Don't just use your limited thinking, your limited mindset, baby. You got to think global. That's why social media is here. That's why the internet is here. We can connect with people on the other side of the world. They're going to pay you for what you already know. Hello. Okay? And number 3, it's about time that you own your own business. Ain't nothing wrong with owning your own business, because I got my LLC. So yeah, that's why you need to get my 7-day roadmap, honey. Don't be waiting on life to life you. I'm just letting you know that, because you know it's better to be prepared than get prepared. Y'all know I say that on all my videos. I'm telling you, because this economy, one thing I like about it, it will reward you for what you know. You hear what I'm telling you? So you better get on the bandwagon now, because when people figure out that they can use one skill and create this huge business, then you're going to be sitting up there like, oh, I wonder what I can do. You better get in now while you fit in, okay? Get that roadmap today and get to work. And if you need some help, honey, reach out to your girl. And guess what? One thing I don't have is regret. I'm so glad I'm doing things on my own. So get that 7-day roadmap today.